Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 30, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Seventh row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 will come here in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 4. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column J, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 3. Column E, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row and 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. First grade and 3rd grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 2. Column C, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 7. Column C, column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 2. 8th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 7. 9th row and 8th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, 8th row and 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column E, column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. That also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. We can confirm 1 also here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Second row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C and fourth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column C, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then third grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 8th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 9th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 8th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column B, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column C, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column D, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.